What's good, guys, and welcome back to another video. If you don't know me, they call me Robbxace, and I'm always here to create that fire for you and your family to enjoy. But if you've been here for a minute, I've been gone, I know, because I had to get some work done, but I'm back with some heat. I'm telling you, you're not gonna want to miss this. I'm creating this Itachi jacket for a customer, and when I got finished, I just thought it was too good. I just had to show you guys. So please stick around for that. If you're new to the channel, please consider following and comment what you want to see me make. I give away most of my jackets, so if you comment something real good and I like the concept, I'll actually send it to you. So let me know what you want to see next. And without further ado, let's get started. To start this off, you got to get that design right first, because not everything that you see in your head is going to look good on the jacket. After that, you already know we're going to add that crispy white base, but this is going to be a little bit different because we're going to add this red clouds on the front. So we got to make sure that we use our blow dryer, make sure it's fully dry before you move on to the next step. I started off with the face first, but the way my ADD set up, I forgot to press record. So we're gonna pretend like I did, and y'all ain't gonna talk about me. So we're gonna move on. So if you didn't know, the Akatsuki has the hottest outfits on the show Naruto. Literally and figuratively. I mean, these people are walking around in 3 layers of clothing, giant jackets in the middle of the desert. But they said the swagger is more important. So here we are. I put that dark gray base down in this section along with the red pop from the clouds. Now it's about that time we add a little depth to the photo. So this part, I added black portions where the shade is supposed to be, and this makes it pop out a little bit more and makes the photo look a little bit more 3D. I also added in a darker gray for the ravens in the photo. Now I ain't gonna hold y'all for too much longer. We are almost finished. I ended up adding a little bit more detail to the jacket, the blade, and finish his pants as well. This jacket would not be complete without that matching red cloud pattern on the front and the side of the jacket. Now it's time for the final reveal. Come on now, this outfit looking extra saucy with the Akatsuki jacket with Itachi on the back. Now I'm hype about this. I am proud of this. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it and enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed creating it. So if you like this jacket, please give it a thumbs up. And if you love this jacket, give me a follow. And please leave a comment in the comments below and let me know what you want to see next.